It is a beautiful fall day outside and you are working from home and you're hungry and you would like to cook something that's really hearty and delicious. Well, I think we got you covered here at The Side Guy Cooks with Pork Tenderloin Stew. So let's get started. Let's prepare the pork tenderloin. Now let's build the stew. Set your timer for 60 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Pork tenderloin is a lean, boneless cut of meat that runs from the hip to the shoulder of the pig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion of this pork tenderloin stew on a plate. Garnish with chopped parsley. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try it. Wow, that is really good. Of course, the pork tenderloin is very tender, and the combination of vegetables and spices creates the magic of this pork tenderloin stew. It's absolutely delicious. It is so good, I'm gonna have to go in for a little bit more. Yes, this pork tenderloin stew is hearty and delicious and perfect for a chilly day while working at home. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a reward for having a hard day at work. Stay with us, watch the next video.